Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off push notifications in Soundcloud. The first thing to do is launch the app on your device. Now tap on the menu icon, which is usually 3 by 3 dots at the top left corner of the app. Actually, it's 3 lines at the top left corner of the app. Then click on settings. Now if you're using iOS, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the app. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner. But if you're using Android, you tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner, then tap on settings. So when you've gotten to the settings option, next thing you're going to do is look for the notification section. Then toggle off the switch next to push notification. This will disable all push notifications from Soundcloud. If you want more control, you can usually customize which type of notifications you receive within the app's settings. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.